Tech Insights is excited to announce we just received the Huawei Pura X in our labs. Announced on March 20th, Huawei touted its new Pura X flip phone as a new redesign of the flip phone form factor, highlighting the new Pura X can be used both in the traditional portrait vertical mode and also be used horizontally, taking advantage of the 6.3-inch 16:10 aspect ratio display. When closed, the new Pura X is more square than rectangular. The outer display is listed as a 3.5-inch OLED with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Huawei has not shied away from new form factors, which was made very apparent with the Huawei Mate XT Triple Fold. That smartphone had only one display, which folded twice so that when closed, a portion of the display was used as the quote front display, and when fully extended, the Mate XT display view size is over 10 inches. It was the success of that Mate XT which the Tech Insights market analysts cite as the reason Huawei overtook Samsung in the entire fold flip smartphone market in Q4 of 2024. We'll have a full teardown video available for you in the next few days. You can access the upcoming video by logging into the Tech Insights platform, where you will also have access to market reports, analysis, and other videos.